is using internal CSS. When you are using internal CSS, instead of bringing a link that has three values, let's say the value of type, the value of relationship, and the value of href, when you're using internal CSS, you don't have to link it to any external document. So you don't need an href, you don't need a link. What you need is a star. You can also use the star and then place all your CSS code between the star. So you open a star and then you close a star. In between those stars, you enter your CSS code. But this should be stated in the what? In the head element of the page. Okay, it should sit in the head element of the page. It shouldn't be at the bottom under the body. It should be in the head. The star element should also use a type of text.what? Text/CSS. Okay, and then when building a site which has more than one page, the best form of what? Styling should be what? External and not internal. Okay, so when you have multiple pages, use what? External. But if you are using, let's say, a one page which you don't have to do a lot of styling, you can use internal CSS.